Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize organic eating with whole foods, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what organic eating truly means. Organic eating focuses on consuming food produced without synthetic fertilizers, pesticides, or genetically modified organisms. Next, familiarize yourself with the concept of whole foods. Whole foods are those that are unprocessed and free from artificial ingredients. Choosing organic whole foods is essential for optimizing your nutrition. Start by checking your local grocery store or farmer's market for organic options. Look for seasonal fruits and vegetables, as they are typically fresher and tastier. Prioritize buying organic produce that is known to have higher pesticide residues. These include items like strawberries, spinach, and apples. Always wash your fruits and vegetables thoroughly, even if they are organic. Consider planning your meals around the organic foods you have purchased. Create a weekly meal plan to help you incorporate a variety of nutrients. Aim to include a balance of proteins, fats, and carbohydrates in your meals. Choose organic grains such as quinoa, brown rice, and oats. For proteins, select options like organic chicken, fish, eggs, or legumes. Incorporate healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Experiment with different cooking methods to retain the nutritional value of your food. Steaming, baking, and sautéing are great options to consider. Stay away from highly processed foods and refined sugars. These can negate the health benefits of your organic choices. When snacking, opt for whole food options like nuts, fruits, or homemade granola. Stay hydrated by choosing water as your primary beverage. If you enjoy tea or coffee, opt for organic varieties. Read labels carefully to ensure that packaged foods meet organic standards. Start a small herb garden at home to supplement your cooking with freshness. Engaging with local communities can enhance your knowledge about organic eating. Look for workshops or classes in your area focused on organic and whole food cooking. Consider sharing meals with friends and family to promote healthy eating habits. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.